Hi there, Titans. My name is Paige, and today I'm going to show you how you can utilize parameters to use the user's current location in Google Maps and Titan Web. So what I mean by this is using parameters, I'm able to locate the user's current location as shown, and then you can also allow it to show their current latitude and longitude as well. So let me show you how that is done. So you start by going to the builder, and if you have not added in your Google Map yet, then you can drop it in going to the plus sign, going to widget, and then dragging and dropping the Google Map widget into the project. Now, one step that you also have to take is setting up the API key. And so that is under Site Elements, and you should get your own API key from Google Maps. So you can look up how to do that. And then once you have your API key, then you would paste it in here. All right. Then to utilize the parameters of the person who is viewing your form or web project, you need to go and set up a parameter. So you can go to Settings, go to Site Elements, go to Tools, Custom Variables, and this is where I created system variables. So I named one lat, and in this default value dropdown, in the default value dropdown, there is one called current latitude, and that is the current latitude of the end user. Same with longitude. I typed in long for the name, and then I created the default value, set it to current longitude. And again, that is not the editor's or builder's current latitude. It's the person who is loading the form as the end user. So now let's map those parameters to the Google Map elements. And how I did that was I go to Pages, I clicked on the three dots on the page that the element is in, click on Configure Actions. We don't need a rule here for this, but we go to Conditions, and I typed in that if this parameter, global parameter latitude, is not empty and the global parameter longitude is not empty, then we're going to affect elements, and we're setting the Google Maps marker latitude to that global parameter latitude, and we set the Google Map longitude to the global parameter longitude. And the reason that I am doing this with the condition is because it takes a couple seconds for the site to grab the user's current location. It's not like an immediate thing, it's something that loads. And so that is why we set the condition, so that once we have located their current location, then it loads it in the Google Map. So then we can click Apply and Save. And that is all you have to do to grab their current location. I will actually show you how to do the on-click action though. So I went to the settings, and then the settings wheel, and then under the marker, I have an on-click action. And so whenever they select the action, or whenever they select the marker, they're going to get a message. And I said your current location is, and you can actually drop in, here, let me do it, let me just restart. You can drop in the elements like this. Go to all elements, and then here's my latitude. So I did latitude, comma, longitude, like that. And then you can click Apply, 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 Save. And now let's preview. And so you can see here, it's loading. We haven't gotten that latitude and longitude yet from the current user, and then it does grab it. And then it tells you their location as well, or they can see their location if they click on it. Of course, you can make that on-click action be anything you want. I just wanted to show you how we're using those parameters with the user's current location. So thank you for watching, and I hope this helps.